Hi, welcome to Arm Wraps. My name is Randy Miller, and what you're seeing right here is a dent on the fridge. And I can easily return it, but I'm trying to be earth friendly. So actually, this is a perfect opportunity to show you. If you have little dents here and there on your fridge, and before you wrap it, you can actually use what's called spot putty. And what the spot putty is, it's like a Bondo. And you go to Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart or anything like that, and you buy the spot putty, and I think it's like $5 you can buy it from. And so you have to do it in layers. So you get a spackle knife, and what I like using is 220 grit sandpaper and just a block of wood. So what I normally do, I'm just going to show you real quick, because when you're wrapping it, you can if there's like a little dent here and there, it's no big deal. Well, I'm going to try to massage this real quick. It's like mustard. Usually I'm a first tube. It's really not that thick. Let me. You can mix it up. I have a little piece of paper right here. It's like mustard sometimes. Sometimes it's you can get it kind of watery. Usually you want to get like a paste size. So you put it on a trowel like this, and usually it's a little thicker than this. And you do one layer. Let it set for 15 minutes and sand it down and do another layer, and then once that's done, you won't even see anything. So I'm going to do a little quick video after when it's totally dried and a couple of layers already. It might be tomorrow, and stay tuned. So once you can see that, and then when we wrap it, it'll be perfectly fine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and catch the next video. If you want to see more stuff on armwraps.com, go for it. There's a lot of unique stuff on there. I'm just showing you little tips and tricks about these little dents today. Okay, thanks. Okay, so like yesterday, what we did is there was like a little hole, or not a hole, but a dent in there. I'm sorry, in there. And so what we did was we went down to a paint store. You can go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or Walmart or anything like that. You use the spot putty glaze, and it's a Bondo like this. We did one coat, let it dry, and we used 220 grit sandpaper, and we did about 3 or 4 coats of the Bondo, and we used just a regular spatula knife, something that's really brand new, sharp, and smooth. So we did that way. And at the very end, what I do a test is if you can actually feel it. If you can't feel it, that means you're done. And this is like a little sample of the vinyl when it's totally done. So you can actually see it's not, you don't even see anything left. So the end product right here that's the refrigerator's wraps right here. We got 12 units that we're doing. And to save time, instead of taking this back for a little baby dent, take this back to Home Depot to replace it, we're just going to just do a little patch job. No one will ever see it. So if you have an old fridge that is dented, you can actually use the spot putty and just fix it real quick. And then you order the wraps and wrap it up. And the gloss, I mean, the gloss is the hardest thing. Matte, if you use a matte sheen, that's where you use a lot of it. It hides a lot of flaws, but the gloss, and I can't even see, let's see if I can pull it off. So it's right about there. So, yeah. If you got any comments or questions, comment down below. And if you're looking for more tricks, subscribe to me. I'm adding more and more tricks to the refrigerator wraps and mini fridge wraps and door wraps and stuff like that. So this is one little trick to use. All right, thanks, and I'll catch you in the next video.